Hello friends, welcome back to Tamara's Garden. In this video I will be covering up about some general questions that comes to you when you bring an Anthurium plant. So stay tuned until the end to know all the details. When you bring this plant from a nursery, the first question that comes to you is the location, where you are going to put this plant. Do not put it in an area where they get the bright direct sunlight. So this plant needs the shade and also indirect sunlight, so put it in an area where they will receive partial to medium sunlight. So the next question that I'm going to give you the answer is, what is the right planter for this? Now you can see these are medium to large pots. Now this is in a large planter, this one is medium, and this is in a small planter. Look at this. This is also some of the small plants of Anthurium. So I have put some coconut husks as well in this. So these plants are ideal in small planters to bigger planters, but time to time you will have to do repotting. So that is also one thing. So the planter should be medium to large. So once you put them in small planters, that is also possible when you do multiply this plant. So that is also possible small planters, but the ample space once you give the plant, these plants grow very healthily. Next question is, what is the right soil for Anthurium? So what you can do is, these plants doesn't like too soggy and too dry soil. What you got to do is, when preparing the soil, you need to take some garden soil and also sand and add a little bit of cocoa peat. You can take all this is in 1/3 because these plants love the moisture balance. So when adding cocoa peat, that is very beneficial for the plant to grow healthily. Next question is about the Anthurium plants are watering. When to water Anthurium plant? So as I said, these plants doesn't like getting much dried out and also the soggy soil. So be mindful when watering. Check the soil always, the top layer of the soil. So the top layer of the soil should be dry for you to water again. Do not pour water again and again if the soil is wet. Another question comes up to you, is this plant is a house plant? Yes, that is possible, but you should keep it near a windowsill because this plant will get indirect sunlight, so that it will be really very good and helpful for the plant to flower. So if you love to see it flowering, you will have to give it some sort of a sunlight amount. So make sure you keep it near a windowsill if you keep it inside your home as a house plant. Plants leaves are really very beautiful and attractive, so absolutely you can keep this as an indoor plant as well because it looks so green and lush. So this is another plant which you can keep indoors, and also this is one of the feng shui and also an air purifier too. So these plants are ideal indoor plants as well. Lastly, I talk about what is the best Anthurium plant fertilizer. So you can use any organic fertilizer of your choice. You can put tea or coffee fertilizer, or else you can use banana peel fertilizer. Cut the banana and keep it overnight in water and add 1 liter water to it, and you can directly pour it to the roots of the plant. Especially during the hot weathers, you can use it as a liquid fertilizer. So coffee and tea you can use powder form as well. So these are the information questions that comes to your mind. If you have further questions, you can comment them below. I will answer you. And also friends, if you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel for upcoming gardening videos. Thanks for watching.